Ganda. Oh, paano pa to? Malamang to, 100,000 a week, sis. Hindi, baka 500,000 a week to, sis. Hindi, pwede naman hati-hati sila, di ba? Oh, shucks, ang laki.
Ano lang, ano lang sila, family of 5.
Oo, yung mga social, no? Ito.
Nirentahan, oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Sis, kahit ito na lang sa akin, sis. Happy na ako. Yeah, happy na ako dito, sis. Hi. Alin ka na. Teka muna, wag mo ako itulak, sis. Astig. Oh, sa England to, sis. Oh, wow, sis. Nabidyo mo. Oh my. Wow. Grabe. Oh, sis, walang-wala to si kay Lolo. Oh, video. Eh, dapat sagdanan, sis. Kunyari, akit sagdanan. Babalik. Wala sinabi ang Delta 3 a.m. Hawak lang naman sagdanan, di ba? Ay, wag, Diyos ko. Ikaw naman. Akin na. Naka-ready na to? Oo nga, nakakatakot nga eh. Okay, game. Game. Okay yan. Ang ganda. Nice. Oh. This is nice place. Yeah.
You're right, those are like the basic. Right? See,
What an adventure, huh?
oh my God.
Yeah.
A little different than Canton House.
I know. So it's 50,000 a week there.
For 8 days, right? Hi guys, this is no boarding, Lady L. Oh my goodness. Private yacht. Wow. Wow. Hi. Oh, wow. Oh, shoot. Ayan guys, parang maandar siya. Ay, ano ba yan? Oh, maandar. Oh my gosh. Maandar. Oh. Oh, they're fishing.
That's the gadget people saw.
What's that?
Well, people that didn't show up.
Who?
Well, for the boat.
Oh, really?
That's what happened.